Okay, let's dive right into this. If you're looking to accelerate your business growth without getting completely bogged down in endless configuration screens that make you want to throw your laptop out the window, well, you are in the exact right place. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're walking through the incredibly fast, highly optimized 12-step Shovld onboarding process. We're going to visually break down exactly how this platform takes a typically tedious software setup and transforms it into a streamlined launchpad for your business. It's fast, it's intuitive, and by the end of this, you're going to see exactly how quickly you can get a powerful opportunity engine running on your behalf.
So, our roadmap today is super straightforward. First, we'll define your business core. Second, select trades and plans. Third, optimize your profile and scheduling. And finally, unlock your opportunity dashboard.
All right, phase 1, define your business core. Let's get into it.
To lay that foundation, we really just have two quick micro steps. First up is selecting your primary industry, and second is understanding how that choice essentially tailors the AI to your very specific needs. We're just setting the broad strokes here, but it's an absolutely vital step so the platform's engine knows exactly how to help you find the best leads.
The very first question Shovld asks is simply, what best describes your business? And you have 4 distinct paths here: contractor, public adjuster, restoration company, or real estate investor. Now, you might be thinking this is just some generic drop-down form, but it's definitely not. Selecting your specific business type instantly customizes the entire platform behind the scenes. For example, if you choose contractor, which happens to be the most popular choice, the system gets ready to find homeowners before they even search Google. It analyzes permits and lines up pre-written outreach in multiple languages. It's literally dynamically configuring the signals and the CRM you'll get, all based entirely on this single click.
So, the crucial point here is that once the AI knows your overarching industry, we need to focus its attention. Ask yourself, where is your ideal market and what exactly is your specialty within that industry? Let's figure out how to answer those exact questions.
Which brings us to phase 2, select trades and plans.
Our mental map for this phase involves 3 quick steps: pinpointing your geographical market, selecting your specific trade, and choosing your subscription plan. Zeroing in on these details is exactly what guarantees the platform's engine will deliver highly qualified, localized leads later on.
Right away, you're presented with a national map to select your primary service area. The dark blue states, those are your available markets. This is where you define your broad territory. So you aren't just typing a zip code into a blank box, you are visually claiming your territory on a national scale. Then, say you click on California, the interface immediately shows submarkets like Greater LA. And this is so cool. The platform actually gives you market intelligence right there on the button. It notes things like a boom in ADUs or accessory dwelling units, with over 3,000 permits per month and high signal activity. It makes it incredibly easy for you to target high-activity markets with total confidence. Okay, once your location is locked in, you need to tell the engine what it is you actually do. You can search and select from over 110 specific trades. There are categories for general and structural, kitchen and bath, plumbing and water, electrical, you name it. By choosing an exact specialty, like general contractors, you ensure the AI opportunity engine filters out all the irrelevant noise. You are only going to receive signals and prospects that match your specific capabilities. Now, before we move on to the next step, let's just quickly distill these pricing tiers so you can logically see which level aligns with your growth goals. You've got the starter plan at $99 a month for the basics. That gets you email outreach in one market. Then the Pro plan at $149 a month really steps it up with unlimited signals, SMS outreach, and push notifications. And finally, the Power plan at $249 a month is built for growing teams, giving you 3 markets and 5 user seats. When you're going through the platform, the Pro plan is highlighted as the most popular option. But the real magic? That happens just below the pricing cards. You actually have the option to add more trades and save money. The platform automatically applies bundled discounts, up to 50% off if you add 6 categories. So if you're a general contractor who also specializes in room additions and remodeling, adding those extra trades naturally rewards your business expansion. And here is a number I want to enthusiastically emphasize for you right now: $0. As you're building out this customized engine and selecting your plans, there is absolutely $0 due today. You are just initiating a 7-day free trial, which completely removes any friction or worry about getting started.
All right, moving right along to phase 3, optimize profile and scheduling. The logistical steps that bridge the gap between signing up and actually receiving your leads are incredibly straightforward. We just need to input your core company details, connect your booking calendar, and secure that free trial checkout.
First up, you'll tell Shovld a little about your business. You drop in your company name, phone number, business address, and some optional details like your license number, years in business, and average job size. And why does this matter? Well, filling out these granular details builds immense trust. It allows the AI system to highly personalize the automated outreach emails it's going to send on your behalf. The more it knows about you, the more authentic your automated pipeline feels to a prospective homeowner.
So we have the engine configured, and we have your business profile built out. But that brings us to the ultimate question, doesn't it? How will these new, highly qualified leads actually reach you to do business?
Well, here is the absolute secret sauce of the whole platform. You are prompted to enable appointment booking by seamlessly connecting your Google Calendar, Outlook, or Calendly. Setting this up takes, maybe 60 seconds? But what it does is allow homeowners to look at your automated outreach emails, see your real-time availability, and book an inspection or consultation directly onto your calendar. No more phone tag, no back-and-forth emails, just solid appointments appearing like magic on your schedule.
The final step in this optimization phase is the checkout screen. Now, like we mentioned, it clearly states that $0 are charged today. You enter your card information securely via Stripe, and it reiterates exactly when billing starts, which is on day 8. It is completely transparent, allowing you to test drive this incredibly powerful system without any upfront risk.
And just to completely ease your mind, the whole platform operates on a cancel anytime, zero risk philosophy. You are totally empowered to see if the AI actually delivers on its promise before committing a single dime. Which brings us to our final step, Phase 4, unlock your opportunity dashboard. The instant gratification here is just amazing. The very moment you hit complete, the system is actively checking off everything we just built together. Trade confirmed as general contractors? Check. Market activated in Greater LA? Check. And then you see it right there, Opportunity Engine scanning. And right before your eyes, first opportunities found. The AI is already pulling in real data based on the exact parameters you set just a few minutes ago.
Think about the incredible value unlocked here in just a handful of clicks. Your trade is confirmed. Your local market is activated. The engine is instantly scanning. It has already found homeowner requests for you. And you have immediate access to your dashboard to start reviewing those leads. The foundation we just built, step by step, directly and instantly led to these tangible results.
So we've seen how Shovld transforms a really complex, localized AI setup into a seamless, visual 12-step process. By defining your core, selecting your exact market and trades, and connecting your calendar, you've built a fully automated pipeline in mere minutes. The AI has already done the heavy lifting of finding your opportunities, and they're waiting right behind that dashboard lock screen. The only question left is, in an era where software can literally hand you qualified leads in minutes, are you ready to log in and close them? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this gives you the absolute confidence to get started today.